everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, I will introduce 5 common mistakes that beginners in gel nail application tend to make. Whether you've just started with gel nails or you're experienced, if your nails tend to come off easily, it might be because your technique is incorrect. In this video, I'll also provide solutions for these 5 mistakes, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first of all, do you start from a condition like this when applying gel? If you're not sure what you're doing wrong, try Googling nail care. If you look closely at the base of your nails, you will notice a thin white layer. This is called loose cuticle, and if you don't remove it properly before applying the gel may start peeling off from this area. That's right, the preparation before applying gel is insufficient and could be the reason why it's not working out. It might seem like a hassle, and neglecting nail care is common. However, it's the most crucial step to improve the longevity of your gel nails. Apply cuticle remover, push back the cuticles with a pusher, and use a ceramic pusher or nipper to remove them cleanly. Starting to apply base gel when the cuticles are not at the base of the nails like this is the correct way. In addition to this, don't forget to lightly buff the surface of your nails with a file as part of the preparation too. After sanding, shavings will remain on the tip of your nail. Leaving this can also lead to the entry of oil and moisture, so be sure to remove it thoroughly. Next, the second one. When applying gel, where do you start? Are you applying it from the cuticle area at the base of the nail? Starting from here can cause it to overflow and potentially harden to the skin. If it hardens like this, it may be fine for 1 to 2 days, but after 2 to 3 days, it can start peeling as moisture and oil get trapped underneath. Eventually, the entire nail can peel off from this area. So, if it gets on your skin, don't let it harden. Instead, use a wooden stick to wipe it away, or use a clean brush to remove the gel that made its way onto the cuticle area. I'll also introduce a technique to prevent it from going onto the cuticles. Start the first coat from the middle of the nail and spread it to the sides. Then, with a little pressure, just before the base of the nail, gradually bring the brush closer to the cuticle. By doing this, only the minimum amount of gel will go to the base, so you can prevent the gel from overflowing. If you apply the first coat to the base side, it will cause to leak out like this, so please don't do that. The third one. Do you ever touch your hair, face, or body when you're applying gel nails? This is also actually a big no-no. The natural oils from hair in the face can cause the gel to lift or peel off if they come into contact with your nails during the nail application. This is similar to the second common mistake mentioned earlier, where the gel can come off if applied over cuticles. In this case, it's due to skin oils. So when applying gel nails, avoid touching your hair, face, and other areas. If you accidentally touch them, use ethanol to wipe away the areas before continuing with the gel nail application. When doing this, you may also be wiping away any uncured gel which can affect the adhesion of the next layer. Therefore, if possible, lightly sand the nail before applying the next layer. The fourth one. Are you perhaps trying to apply a lot of gel at once by loading up the brush? Doing this can lead to excess gel near the cuticle and cause curing issues even under the UV or LED light. This is especially problematic with dark colors like this, because the light may have difficulty penetrating the gel, leading to curing problems. These colors are already prone to curing issues, and so applying it too thickly may mean you end up with a situation like this, where only the outer layer cures, leaving the inside uncured. There are more downsides to over-application. For example, imagine you've applied too much on your thumb and it hasn't cured. Now you start applying gel to your index finger. While you're working on the index finger, the gel on the thumb which hasn't cured can start to drip to one side as the thumb tilts. Gel becomes more prone to movement when the temperature and body heat are high, so thick application is a big no. When applying gel, make sure to apply it thinly to avoid thickness. Also, when placing your hand in the curing light, if you do it like this, only your thumb will be at an angle, making it difficult for the light to reach all areas. To avoid this, cure the 4 fingers from index to pinky first, and then apply gel to the thumb and cure it separately. This reduces the chances of curing issues. If you're experiencing issues with the thumbnail not adhering well, reconsider how you're curing it. The 5th one. This one is for those of you who haven't made the mistake mentioned in 1 to 4, as there's another issue for those experiencing peeling or lifting. It's that the foundation isn't tailored to your natural nails. What do I mean by this? For instance, if your natural nails are thin and flexible, they can move easily. This can create gaps between your natural nails and the gel, leading to lifting. In such cases, if you simply apply a base coat, 2 coats of color, and a top coat, it will lift quickly. To create a suitable foundation for thin nails, you need to add some thickness and hardness. One way to add hardness is to apply 2 coats of base coat. If this doesn't prevent lifting, try using 1 coat of the base coat and 1 coat of the hard gel. By customizing the foundations to your natural nail condition, you'll achieve longer-lasting gel nails. Nail salons usually take care of this, but if you're doing it yourself, you have to experiment to find the right method. Trying various methods to find what works for you is a key strategy for achieving long-lasting gel nails. For thin nails, add thickness and hardness, and for flat, downward curved, or over-curved nails, adjust the shape of the foundation to increase strength. This will result in the gel nails that last a full month. How were the 5 common mistakes that gel nail beginners tend to make? Did any of these resonate with you? When doing self-nails, it's common to develop your own techniques. So I hope you can take this opportunity to review your techniques and ensure you are not making any of these mistakes. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.